Imagine yourself in this 2001 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are security system, brake assist, traction control, power door locks, 4-wheel disc brakes, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, engine immobilizer, and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.